Guys, sometimes you just want to enter the kitchen and do pa movement. This simple pasta recipe I'll be sharing today is one of such vibes. So let's not waste time and get straight into the kitchen. For this quick recipe, we are going to be needing some pasta, any vegetables of your choice. I'll be using some cabbages, carrots, green peas, tomatoes, and onions. I'll also be using some sausages, paprika, turmeric powder, salt, and some butter. So we'll start by bringing some water to a boil, and then we'll go ahead and add in some salt and butter. So we'll wait for this to melt. Whilst we wait, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and join this blooming family. So once your butter melts, we'll go ahead and then add in the turmeric powder, stir that in, and then add your pasta. We'll let this cook for about 7 to 10 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and start our stir fry by melting some butter in a saucepan, and then you add in your chopped sausages. So we are going to be frying this for about 3 to 5 minutes. And whilst you're waiting for this to fry, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So you see me add in my onions, and then we'll stir fry that for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, our remaining vegetables will also go into the saucepan. Once everything is mixed up properly, you add in your salt and your paprika and stir that also in so that it's well incorporated. Now we are going to add in our pasta, which is the last thing we need to complete this dish. So simple, isn't it? This is one of your go-to recipes, and I hope you do try it and give me feedback in the comment section. I hope you share this video with others as well. And until we meet in my next video, keep blooming.